Hi everyone, I'm Moses. Today we'll be talking about how coconut charcoal briquettes affect the environment and why they're always considered eco-friendly. So we are really committed to the environmental sustainability, especially in the materials we use, like the coconut tree. The coconut supply is always renewable and sustainable. And also from our starch, we always use a plant-based starch, which is from the cassava. So we don't really cut trees for this process of making, which is really supporting the environmental friendly. So absolutely. I see like the charcoal briquettes, they replace many sources of wood charcoal especially. Like before this market, the shisha market also uses wood as its combustion for the tobacco. Right now they're using coconut shell charcoal, which is sustainable. And also in the barbecue market, which consumes more and more of the wood charcoal. Now, if they change, they're changing to the coconut shell briquettes. They're taking a huge reduction on the use of the wood charcoal, which is changing into an environmental friendly product, which is the coconut charcoal briquettes. So we also understand why people, at the first glance, maybe they see that the price per kilo on this coconut charcoal briquette is more expensive, because the price per kilo is also different if you compare it to like wood charcoal traditionally. But if you look at the burning time, and if you count the cost per hour to burn the source of heat, actually coconut briquette always stays longer than wood charcoal. And this is why people slowly are changing to coconut charcoal, especially in the shisha business. Like I can say more than 80% right now is already using the coconut shell. And in the barbecue business also people are slowly changing because it is more cost effective if you really count it as a whole. Yeah, of course, like using the briquette, especially the coconut shell we always use the waste from the copra production, if you tell. Like they're taking the meat for oil business and also for consumption in food. We are using the waste of the coconut, which is the coconut shell, burn it in the charcoal, and then we use it as a charcoal to replace the wood. So we are replacing something that is non-renewable into a renewable substance, which is really eco-friendly. So right now I see people in our world is more and more aware of the sustainable energy, more aware of the eco-friendly everything. So I think this is a really good solution in the future of the coconut briquette. Slowly they are changing in the smoking business and also in the barbecue business. But in the huge business like in a power source, power plant, they are starting to look on a renewable substance. And coconut shell as a product of the heat is also overlooked at in this kind of thing. So I think this will be a better future for the sustainable energy source. That's it for today's discussion on the environmental benefits on the coconut charcoal briquettes. So thank you for tuning in. Hope you guys learned something new. See you guys next time. Sampai jumpa di Aracoco.